Hi viewers, welcome to Max Grammar Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe my channel without fail. In today's video, we will be discussing 10 idioms with their meaning and usage. The first idiom is wear your heart on your sleeves. This idiom can be used to describe a person who displays their emotions openly or be emotionally transparent. This can also be used to describe a person who makes you feel apparent and obvious, or openly reveal their feelings, or a person who cannot hide emotions and feelings. Now, let us see how to use this idiom in a sentence. Anne always wears her heart on her sleeves, so everyone knew how she was feeling. This means that Anne is a person who is emotionally transparent. The second idiom is kill the goose that lays golden eggs. The meaning of this idiom is to destroy something that is profitable to you, mostly because of greed, or to destroy the one thing that makes a lot of money for you, or to destroy a source of income or livelihood through a short sighted action. Now, let us see how to use this idiom in a sentence. Ram's parents think that giving up his profession for his music passion will be killing the goose that lays the golden egg. Here, Ram doesn't even know if he will shine in the field of music and earn sufficient money. But still, he wants to give up his current job. The third idiom is spread yourself thin. This idiom means overwhelmed by undertaking too many activities at the same time and having spent more resources, energy, or time than one can maintain or sustain. Now, let us see how to use this idiom in a sentence. Jim spreads himself thin between school, work, and volunteering. This means that Jim is occupied the entire day in his school, work, and volunteering. The fourth idiom is start with a clean slate. It means to wipe the past out and begin afresh, or to be ready to make a fresh beginning, or to be ready to be molded, or as per choice to be clear of any previous miscreations. Let us see how to use this idiom in a sentence. Even after so many fights, the couple decided to start with a clean slate for the sake of their children. This means that though the couple have faced many misunderstandings, for the sake of their children, they wanted to live together. And so they forgot all the past negative experiences and started a fresh life. The fifth idiom is small cog in a large wheel. Someone or something that is functionally necessary but of small significance or importance within a larger operation or organization is mentioned as a small cog in a large wheel. Now, let us see how to use this idiom in a sentence. My designation in my team is a senior tester. I am just a small cog in a large wheel. This means that I hold a position which is of less importance when compared to the other designations in the company. The sixth idiom is spill the beans. This idiom means to disclose a secret or reveal something prematurely. Now, let us see how to use this idiom in an example. The Prime Minister Spill the beans about the new atomic bomb research. This means that the Prime Minister has disclosed about the atomic bomb research which was taking place secretly. The seventh idiom is wash dirty linen in public. This idiom means to discuss very private personal matters, especially that which may be sensitive or embarrassing in public or with other people. Let's see how to use this idiom in a sentence. The actress doesn't like to wash dirty linen in public. This means that the actress does not want to share about her private or personal life in the public. The eighth idiom is hold your horses. This idiom means to wait or to be patient. Let us see how to use this idiom in a sentence. Hold your horses. We will have to pray before you eat. Rina is asking to wait or to be patient without eating until the prayer is over. The ninth idiom is a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This idiom means it is better to have something less valuable than to pursue something more valuable that may not be able to be obtained. It is better to be content with what you have than to risk losing everything by seeking more. Let us see how to use this idiom in a sentence. You may not like your job, but don't quit merely on the hope of finding a better one. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Though you don't like a current job in which you are, don't just quit the job on the account of just hoping you will get another job. The tenth idiom is rub salt into someone's wound. This idiom is used when a painful experience is made even more painful for someone. Let us see how to use this idiom in a sentence. Joe is already depressed as he has lost his job. You don't question him about the same and rub salt into his wound. Hope you had learned few idioms, their meanings and their usage. If the video was informative, then like and share our video. Subscribe our channel for our future videos and click on the bell button to get notifications of the same. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.